And obeying does not simply mean that we have to say, okay, I will follow. No, you should put that into a form of a law in your society so that everybody would follow. Eh kung hindi mo na siya isulat, if you will not write that, maybe today's generation would follow, but the next generation will not. But if that becomes the law, it will be followed perpetually. Now, we have to understand the sequence of this ayah. Another ayah, Allah Ta'ala says, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, udkhulu fis silmi kaffah. Wala tattabi'u khutuwati syaitan, innahu lakum aduwwun mubin. It is especially to the believers. O ye who believe, some says, enter into Islam wholeheartedly. But I find it to be different from the fact if we trace it into the lexicon. The word silmi is from the word salam. This word silmi is nominative because of the word kafa, everything. In other words, the word silmi does not only mean that you have to enter into Islam, because Islam has no door, but bringing everything, kafa, everything within the bounds of Islam. Meaning, you have to Islamize everything. How many problema na ito? There are Muslims who were not able to follow 100% of Islam because they take some parts of Islam and mix it with the secular. Take something out of Islam and take something out of kufr. So they mix. You cannot pwede. You cannot mix Islam with the secular. You cannot mix Islam with kufr. Islam should be 100%. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. Oh ye who believe. Who are these people? We are the people being addressed here. Because we are the amanu. We are the believers. Udkhulu fi silmi kafa. Put into, make everything enter within the bounds of Islam. Everything. Wala tatabi'u khutuwati syaitan. That is the gist. Why? The ways of shaitan is the ways of the dunya. The ways of shaitan is the ways of kufr. The ways of shaitan is the ways of the secular. So what is the contrast of that? The contrast of that is when you Islamize everything. Make everything fall within the bounds of Islam. This is how we Islamize. By the way, how would you Islamize our media? Media, television, newspaper, radio. Why? If you do not Islamize the radio, what do you hear in the radio? You can hear pornography now in the radio. Yes, na mga drama na pornographic. If you don't Islamize the television shows, what do you see? Mga babae nagrampa. Nagrampa, nagtibak na lang. Nagrampa sa TV, nakashort na lang. Taman kigot-kigot. This is not only our dilemma. This is not only the problem the Muslims are facing. Even our brethren, the Christians, they also knew about this problem. I have encounters with our priests, some pastors, some ministers. They will. I keep on telling them that we need to do an act because we have to change it. They said, we cannot do it. Why? Private property na siya, private entity na siya. We cannot. And there is freedom in this country. But you know what, mana, and I'm freedom ani manasur. But remember, your freedom ends when you start encroaching into the freedom of others. So freedom, nga giingon na to, dili na siya 100%. Di man pwede mo ingon ka nga, naatay kagawasan sa pagsulti bisag unsa, kunya bisag dili sa sakong lugar. Masulti ka o dili mao. Di man na pwede moingon ka, na ako'y kagawasan. So bisag bihas to ka sa kalsada, pwede ka magpupo, kaya naaman kay kagawasan. No. Di ka pwede moingon, natay kagawasan, yan dito suluyo sa ka, mangihi ka dito. No, dili na pwede ihianan lugar, dakon kas pulis, may city ordinance. No. Right? Di ka pwede moingon, na ako'y kagawasan. Since ko nga sa elevator, mangutot ka, kaya na ako'y kagawasan mangutot. No. We are following certain ethics na ay lagda nga gisunod ato sa katao. That's why we have become a civil society. Nahimutan civilized ng mga tao because of our laws, tungod sa mga lagda, tungod sa mga balaod, naka-put up na o atong kaugalingong culture. So, in the Islamic perspective, it is quite different. There is a controversy between the Muslims as well as the non-Muslims in many issues. There are ideological differences. There are problems that beset the world because of the different values we have, the different cultures we have, the different perspective, this different perception, different mindset, and these are the problems we have in our society. Look at the Islamic world right now. Tanawa ang mga Muslim, di buong kalibutan. Look at Egypt, look at Syria, look at Yemen, look at Pakistan, look at Iraq, look at the Muslims. If our Prophet is here right now, I believe he would tell you the same thing. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, udkhulu fi silmi kaffa, wa la tattabi'u khutuwati syaitan. Why do we have problems in the world? Why are we viewed to be such and such? Ipalandugay. Nahitabo ang Zamboanga. Look at the Muslims. Ingon sila, mga Muslim, sinugdanan dyan pero may sigubo. Mga Muslim, gil-adjod ng mga tao. Niya kita, di man tayo nag-control sa media. All forms of mudslinging, all forms of accusations, they can do it. Pwede nila himuon against NATO. Why? Di man tamaw ang nag-control sa media. My point, mga igsoon, is dili mahitabo ang ingon-aning ang problema sa kalibutan kung ang mga Muslim 100% nga nigunit sa Islam. You agree with me? If the Muslims from the very beginning had held fast in the roof of Allah, they have not divided among themselves, they took the Quran, they took Islam, they took the Sunnah of Rasulullah to be the basis of the law, the basis of their guidance. I believe the Muslims have been very successful in the world. Dili ni mahitabo ang atong nakita sa atong palibot. Makaluluoy. Ngil-ar ang talanawan. Tanawa ang mga TV. So, ang atong pagpupod, pagsunod, ang atong pagkinabuhi, subay sa lagda sa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that is the only way na mahimutang successful. If we would all come together, unite our strength, educate one another, teach one another, live as good Muslims, and try to promote, persuade other people, tell the good news of Islam to the rest of humanity, I believe we will be able to overcome. But uspulusan nato, mismo kita, ang atong perception. We should change our mindset. There should be a paradigm shift. We should change our perspective, our point of view. Our mind frame should be changed. Kinahanglan mausap ang atong mindset nga ang Islam di ay 100% nga gitugtan sa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Nga kinahanglan atong i-Islamize. Nga kinahanglan nga 100% ta sa Islam. Dili pustiso. Do you agree with me? Because you see, no matter how good we are in spreading the good news of Islam, no matter how eloquent we are in talking about the beauty of Islam, when people would look at us and they say, oh, ingon ka, nindot ang Islam, pero kung malagin ka, they would start frowning, they would run away. Allahu Akbar! Nobody would believe us anymore. Hindi na sila totoo na to. Isa kung saan pa na ito sulti. Kung mo managiging sa upan, living by example. You do not necessarily have to talk about Islam. Just share Islam in your life. Diba? So, timan anak Ikson. Ya ayuhalladina amanu. Oy, kamu nga mga tumulo. Udkhulu fi silmi